What's up, CG crew? Welcome back to the channel. I'm in Walmart and I'm doing a little shopping. This was the day that my husband and I were out. You'll see that vlog probably before you see this grocery video. But yeah, just wanted to come in and introduce the video. It's just a little quick shop with us, and I'm going to do a haul as well. So thank you all for your support. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a nice thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. We will appreciate it because we know you're gonna like it. Yeah. Alrighty, enjoy the video. I'm just a mushroom. Yeah. CG crew, this is what we have so far. Bread, turkey, salmon for salmon croquettes, tuna for macaroni and tuna salad, lettuce for either sandwiches or salads, some mushrooms, yellow rice, yum sauce, fettuccine noodles, elbow noodles. That's my napkin I use to wipe off the buggy with spray, rice, and my husband put a shirt in the buggy.
As always, you gotta build up. You get one shirt at a time.
Please. So we're on this side. I want to get some flavor crystals. Well, whatever they call them.
Flavor love.
Oh my God. I like the midnight breeze. Guess midnight bloom. Got the head in Kroger. CG crew, so this is what we have so far at Kroger. Jimmy Dean Delights, Eggos, Brown and Serves, the roasted potatoes that I like to buy, put them in the oven, add my little seasoning to them as well. Brown and Serves, some fruit snacks for the kids, and some Jiffy cornbread muffin mix. We're about to get the water, and this is about it. So when you're on a budget, you go to different stores that have the stuff for cheaper. Even though you're going to different stores, even though he didn't want to go to all these different stores. So hopefully when I do upload, I'm not sure if I'm going to upload it all in the vlog or if I'm just going to do a grocery store video. But we went to Walmart so far, and now at Kroger. We was going to go to Publix, but I said I'll probably just go there you know, a day when I get off of work, so I don't have to torture my husband anymore. So let's go get the water. What's up, CG crew? Welcome back. Back today with a grocery haul. The husband and I just got back in. We was out from about 10:15. You'll see what we did in the vlog. But let me show you what we got from Walmart and Kroger. Milk, ginger soda, fettuccine noodles, elbow noodles, ground beef, biscuits, salmon for salmon croquettes, tuna for either tuna salad or macaroni tuna salad, yellow rice for a meal, mushrooms, more biscuits, yum sauce. These came from Kroger. These are the roasted red potatoes. Love those. And we have Brown and Serves, Jiffy cornbread mix. We have rice, lettuce, eggs, ginger ale, orange juice. These chips came from Kroger. And more bread. The Jimmy Dean Delights. Yeah. Milk duds, vitamin C, one of days. Eggos at Kroger, they had those on sale, like $1 off. Whew. straws, soap, 8-count pack of soap, barbecue chips, smart vinegar chips. Finally got a big thing of paper plates. And look what I got, the Lady Gaga Oreos. The sparkling water, and those actually have sweetener in it. I thought they were just plain waters until I bought them the other day in the other haul. So I got 2 of those, lemon lime and key lime, more roasted red potatoes, the Smart Food popcorn, and we also got some bananas, onions, bell pepper, turkey, and then for laundry, we got the bounce sheets, and I got the Downy Unstoppables in the Lush scent. So yeah, this is everything that we purchased today from our multiple store run. Hopefully, because we still have some chicken breasts in there, so this will probably last us. Tomorrow I plan on doing some meatloaf, yellow rice, and a vegetable, maybe some broccoli, and maybe one day we'll have chicken breasts and potatoes and maybe something else, and maybe one day we'll do tuna sandwiches. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to go back to the store soon, maybe on probably Wednesday or Thursday. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, we just picked up a few items. Like I said, we go to the store every few days. Well, we try to do every week, but sometimes it doesn't work out like that. Sometimes I go back in the middle of the week, and then I go back again, let's say Friday or Saturday. So yeah, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, give this video a nice thumbs up, and leave a nice comment. We will appreciate it. We know you're gonna like it here. So lay round for the vlog of our day today. We just picked up some pizza, so that's what we're gonna eat for dinner. So catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.